Hello everyone. We have a solved example which needs some explanation. Question number 3, first one is 9 into bracket a minus 2b bracket raised to square minus 16 into bracket 2a minus 3b bracket raised to square. Now you can see that this 9 can also be written as 3 square. So a minus 2b, I'm taking a bracket and then writing square outside. This is not going to affect the value. Now if you implement this, works as per the exponents rule. A b bracket raised to square means what? A square b square, like that. Now a square can be compared with the 9, b square can be compared with this a minus 2b bracket square. This is how it works. That's why we can write it like this. Okay, now let's see how it should be solved further. Minus this 16 is a square of what? 4. 2a minus 3b bracket square. Now this full thing is one term, this full thing is another term. So this is a square minus b square type of a thing what we are using. Now if this is so, what do we have as a square minus b square? A square minus b square gives us a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so here what is a here? 3 into bracket a minus 2b is the first term, that is a, plus what is b? 4 into bracket 2a minus 3b. So this is a plus b. Now what we should have in another bracket? A minus b. So as there is no space, I am continuing here. A is this one only. 3 into bracket a minus 2b is a, minus 4 into bracket 2a minus 3b completes. Now this has to be solved. 3 into a, 3a, 3 into 2 is 6b, plus 4 2s are 8a, minus 4 3s are 12b. So now you can add and subtract the like terms. Similarly, this also has to be done. Okay, this will be 3a minus 6b minus, here it is minus sign, you have to be careful. Minus 4 into 2a is minus 8a. Now minus 4 into minus 3b, minus into minus is plus, 4 3s is 12b. Well, now 3a plus 8a, how much it would be? 11a, minus 6b minus 12b. So how much it is going to be? Minus 18b. Okay, now what about the second bracket? 3 minus 8. So this will be minus 5a plus 6b. Now always write the positive number first is the rule. It is a convention. Conventionally we should write it that way. So 11a minus 18b, and here it is 6b minus 5a. Hope you could see it. So this is how it is done. Hope this is understood properly. This comes by a b bracket raised to square means, here I am writing a b bracket raised to square in the sense a square b square. This is the reason, that's why we can write it here. And I have written here a plus b and a minus b, how you should be solving. We have another question here. The question is 7.4 bracket raised to square minus 6.4 bracket raised to square upon 8.9 bracket raised to square plus 8.9 into 2.2 plus 1.1 bracket raised to square. Now here you need to understand it thoroughly. First try to understand to which identity do they resemble. This is like a square minus b square. You can understand a square minus b square is what? A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Of course you can follow this. Now what about the denominator? Now in the denominator what happens? It is given as a resemblance of a plus b bracket raised to square. How? I'll show you. A plus b bracket raised to square would be what? A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is what you should have. Now here you would say if first term is 8.9, we have A here, but ma'am B is not there. Now B can be separated as 2.2 can be written as 2 into 1.1. Do you agree with this or not? Check. Now, if I write this, what I achieve in this is I have 2 outside as well as I cover up with the third term what we have in the expansion, that is b square. So A is here, A square is here, B square is here, A is 8.9. You may not find B here. It is in disguise given as 2.2, which can be written as 2 into bracket 1.1. Now let us see how we can do this. Okay, here this will be using what? Okay, 1 minute. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B will be the numerator. In the denominator, A square plus 2AB plus B square is what we are going to use. This is not step, this is to refer what we are using in the numerator and denominator. Now 7.4 plus 6.4, that is A plus B. 7.4 minus 6.4 is A minus B, whole divided by. Now A square as it is 8.9 bracket square. First let me resemble it, that's what I am taking time to. Now 2 into bracket 8.9 into 1.1 plus 1.1 bracket square. You can see that 2AB. If this is B, B is here. If this is A is here. 2 is the number what we have to have in the middle term. So if this is so, now let us calculate this. 4 plus 4 is 8, 13.8 into, if I subtract this, what will you get? 1. 7.4 minus 6.4 upon, now here what is the expansion of the this one? What should we have it as? A plus B bracket raised to square, means first term 8.9 plus 1.1 bracket raised to square. You may not put brackets to this, that's all, that is okay. Just a minute. 8.9 plus 1.1 bracket raised to square. Because of this expansion is matching, so we can write this as, okay, 13.8 into 1 would be what? 13.8 only. 13.8 upon, now what is this? 8 plus 8.9 plus 1.1, 8 plus 1 is 9, this is 10, means what? It is going to be 10. 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 in the sense what? It is 100. It means 13.8 upon 100. So if I have to write it in decimal, 0.138 would be your answer. Hope this is understood. Let me know if you need more explanation over this. Thank you.